Wonderful morning to all my dear students. Welcome in your EVS class with a wonderful thought. And our today's thought is always be grateful in all the things. Kids, in our EVS class today, your ma'am is going to tell you a story. Very beautiful and interesting story. Okay? So are you ready for listening story? Okay. So, listen it very carefully. Okay? Story of the cat and the monkey. Story of two cats and monkey. Okay? Shall we start? Okay, let's go.
Two cats used to live in some village. Both were very good friends. Whatever the cats used to find, they would share and eat it together. One day in the afternoon, both the cats were feeling very hungry, but they had nothing to eat.
Sister, I am extremely hungry. I am feeling quite weak due to hunger. Actually, even I am very hungry. Come on, let's go and find some food.
Both the cats started looking out for food together. In the village, they found a house with its door open. The cats turned their heads here and there, but found no one around. Both the cats quietly entered the house. They saw a flatbread on a plate.
Sister, there is only one flatbread, but it looks to be quite thick. With this flatbread, both of us can fill our stomachs. Yes, sister. Let's quickly take this flatbread and run, or else the owner of this house will return.
On saying this, one of the cats took the flatbread and both of them ran from there. Both the cats reached outside the village and sat under a tree.
Sister, I am feeling very hungry now. Quickly divide this flatbread. Yes, let me divide it.
When one of the cats tore the flatbread to divide it, one portion became smaller and the other bigger. The cat which divided the flatbread gave the smaller portion to the other cat. On seeing this, the other cat said,
What's this? You gave me the smaller portion whereas you took the bigger one. This is not right. Whenever we get food, we always honestly divide it into two equal portions. But today you are being dishonest. I will eat the bigger portion. I took the flatbread, so I will eat the bigger portion.
Both of them started fighting on this topic. When both the cats were fighting, one monkey was observing them. The monkey was struck with an idea to gain from their fight and he leapt down the tree. He approached the cats and he said,
Hey, my dear cats, why are you fighting amongst yourselves?
Brother monkey, we both cats are very good friends. Whatever we find to eat and drink, we always share it equally with each other. But today she is being dishonest to me. She took the bigger portion of flatbread and gave me the smaller portion.
What? This is absolutely wrong. This cat should not have done such a thing. But no problem. If you both agree with me, then I can take a proper decision.
But how will you decide?
I have a scale of balance. On keeping these pieces on it, I can decide which portion is bigger and which is smaller. Then we will divide both the portions equally. Tell me, do you both agree?
Both the cats agreed with the monkey and said yes. The monkey got the scale. He kept both the pieces on each side of the balance. While weighing it, he saw that one side was heavier. So he said,
Hey, this portion is bigger. Okay, let me make it equal.
and on saying this, he ate a bit from the bigger portion. Now the other side became heavier.
Brother monkey, what are you doing?
My dear cat, I am doing this to make both the portions of the flatbread equal. Please don't worry. I'll decide with complete honesty.
The monkey took another bite of the flatbread from the other side of the balance. In this way, he kept taking that bit of the flatbread which was bigger and kept eating it. Both the cats were worried.
Brother monkey, just give us the flatbread back to us.
Hey, How can I just give it back? I have not taken any decision. If you both chose me as a judge, then it's my duty to give you a fair decision.
Saying this, the monkey again took a bite from the bigger flatbread. Now both the remaining pieces of the flatbread were very small. So one of the cats said to the monkey,
Now we both will divide the flatbread amongst ourselves. You may leave.
Alright, as you both wish. But even I should get my pay for the work that I did.
As soon as he said it, the monkey put the remaining 2 pieces of the flatbread in his mouth and leapt back on the tree. The poor cats just stood there watching each other. Moral: the result of a fight amongst each other is always bad.
Yes, students, I hope you have liked this story. Okay, now everyone, take out your fun book and open page number 43, and you have to color this page. Okay, and don't forget to mention today's date. Okay, now do your work, take pic and send in response group. Bye bye everyone.